welcome back to News World. Today I will be talking about this quarantine tracker wristband.
We got this watch from the Mina Center, but it is also made available in various centers across UAE. From there, the technicians attach this watch to your wrist and it is not removable by your own. So after your quarantine period, you will have to return back to the center and they will remove it for you. The watch is waterproof, so you may shower while it is on your wrist. Do not try to manipulate the watch as you will face legal charges in case of damage of the watch. The main purpose of this watch is to track the patients. It has a GPS tracker attached to it and it works just like a normal watch. It shows time and also the charge, and when we are charging it shows that the watch is charging also. You should not fiddle with the watch or cause any damage to it. In such a situation you will be faced with penalty. Pressing the tiny button on the side will show various options available in the watch. There are two ways in which you can charge this watch, either directly by plugging the watch into the charger which is made available along with the watch, or by using a power bank which is also made available with the watch. Using the power bank is more advisable because it is more easier. If you are using the charger and plugging it there, you will have to sit there for a long time. It almost takes 3 hours to completely charge the device. These trackers are strictly supervised by health, so any manipulations to it will immediately send a message to them. You are not supposed to leave your house as long as the watch is on your wrist, and you have to ensure that the charge is kept at 80% at all times. At the center, they will provide you with the WhatsApp number. After you reach home, you have to add that number to your contacts and send your location in that contact, and this will allow them to effectively track your location. This is what they gave us, and as you can see there is a box with it, and on the top you can see a number that is specifically given to you. And when you open this box, you will find 2 chargers, an adapter and also a power bank. This is the charger with the adapter, and this charger is for charging the power bank. As you can see, it's removable and attachable. This is the charger for directly charging your watch. It is not very comfortable as you will have to sit in the same location and keep on charging it. This is the power bank and it is the most suitable way for charging your watch. You can just charge the power bank using the charger made available, and after the power bank is fully charged, you can attach it to your watch and it will charge your watch. Now I'll show you how to attach the power bank to the watch. This is the power bank, and it can be pushed backwards, and as you can see it has 2 plugs which can be attached to the watch, and then it will start charging. Now you push it backwards a bit and then you plug it in, and when it is fixated it will show a blue color, and the blue color indicates that your watch is being charged, and also your watch will also show a response. When the power bank is attached to your wrist, you will hear a click sound and also a blue light indicating that the watch is being charged, and if the blue light starts flickering, it means that your watch is fully charged. Soon after you return from the center, your watch might not be in full charge. In such a situation, it is preferable that you charge your power bank for not entirely for 3 hours but for a short period of time, and then plug it onto your watch. This charger for connecting to your watch has also magnets that will attract to the watch. Another thing to note is that this watch is given to people who are in home quarantine after being in close contact with a positive patient. It is also given to passengers from the airport. As I mentioned earlier, it will take about 3 hours to fully charge the power bank. The red light signal will start flickering when it is charging, and the red light signal will stop flickering when the power bank is full. You have to repeat charging the watch at least twice a day, and also you have to ensure that the power bank is properly attached to your watch. If it is properly attached, it will show a blue signal. Now I'll show how to attach the charger directly to the watch. For that you will have to change the charger with the other one made available, and it has a magnetic plug, and after fixing it you will get a message. It doesn't show any kind of color signals or anything. In this case you will have to sit at the same place until the watch is fully charged. It might take about 3 hours, so that is why the power bank is preferable. As you can see, this watch shows you time as well as the charge, and also it indicates that the GPS charger is there, and sometimes messages come too. You have to make sure that the watch is always in contact with your skin. If the watch is not in contact with your skin, the watch will start showing a lot of alarms and messages. In such a case, there is nothing to worry. You just have to push the watch a bit backwards and make it in contact with your skin. This watch is only given to adults and not for kids, and you will have to return the watch back to the center, and for removing the watch you will have to go back to the center. You cannot remove it on your own. During quarantine period, maintain good hand hygiene and personal hygiene. Self-monitor your symptoms on a daily basis, such as checking your temperature and recording any changes in the temperature. And do not share your utensils and personal hygiene items with anyone else in the house. Use disposable items whenever possible. Make sure that you have a healthy diet and maintain a very good health, and also try to limit direct contacts with people as much as possible. Also try to get vaccinated as soon as possible to avoid the spread of coronavirus. Also, you will have to return all these equipments along with the watch back to the health without any damages. Any damages will result in a penalty. If you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye.